Well, hi guys, Mark here. Well, the Voge 900 DSX has just this second arrived here at Paul Moto here in the south of England. So what we're going to do is going to just do an unboxing, and then we'll do a first look review on the all new Voge 900 DSX. Stay tuned. Okay, so we've got the cardboard off, obviously a nice sturdy metal cage. The front wheel's going to have to go in. There's your box of accessories. Be mirrors there, nicely wrapped up. All the cage has got to be unscrewed. Looks like the bars have got to go in as well. So quite a bit of work to put these ones together. This is the nicer sort of fluorescent green one. So anyway, let's start taking this cage apart and see how we get on. Okay, so we're getting on well with the unboxing. This bike is super high spec. It's absolutely got the lot. We'll do a full sort of like first look walk around when it's all built up. But you know, initial impressions, quality, you know, it looks very impressive indeed. So we'll crack on with the building, and then we'll take a look at it when it's all finished. Okay, so the Voge 900 DSX is all put together now. Wasn't too bad at all. Had to get the front wheel in, put all the switch gear, all the bars had to go on. Screen goes on, hand guards, connect up the battery. So I'm really pleased today, guys, to be bringing you this sort of first look of the new Voge 900 DSX. So I will be reviewing this over the next couple of weeks. The big day, put this in your diary, is the 21st of September. That's the day when everyone is allowed to upload their videos, full riding reviews of this bike. But up to now, we're only allowed just to sort of do little teasers and walkarounds, hence just doing this video at the moment. So we're just going to run through all the specifications first of all, and then I'm going to sit on the bike and see how it fits me. So this bike is incredibly well spec'd. It has absolutely everything. For the money, £8,999 plus the on the road, it's an absolute steal. So it's just going to run through all the parts of the bike nice and slowly so we can have a really good detailed look at this. So this comes with an 895cc parallel twin double overhead cam, 8-valve liquid cooled, and the great news is it's a 270 crank, which gives it that beautiful sound, V-twin feel. You know, it's just the engine configuration that you really, really want. So that's fabulous, absolutely fabulous. It's got a claimed 95 horsepower at quite a low 8,250 RPM. So, you know, Voge is a subsidiary of Lonsin, and they've been making bike engines for years. They've been making engines for BMW and the like, and it does look very similar to the casings of like the F750 GS here. So it's, as I said, 95 horsepower, 8,250 RPM, which is nice and low. That means you're not going to have to rev this engine. 91 Newton meters of torque at 6,000 RPM. It's got a reasonably big fuel tank, 17 litres. They're quoting 5.3 litres for 100 kilometres, which is 53 miles per gallon, so you should get well over 150 miles out of a tank on this. Weight is 238 kilos, ready to go. So that's pretty much par of the course for big adventure bikes these days. Wheels and tyres, again, brilliant. You've got the brilliant tubeless Pirelli Scorpion, sort of dual purpose tyres. Got a 21-inch front wheel, which is great for off-road, nice and big. Tubeless, running this detail here with the spokes on the side. So 90 section on the front and a 150 on the rear, 17 on the rear there. So this does actually come as well with the 3-piece aluminium luggage set, which is worth up to £1,000. So hence, you know, again, really good value. I'll put a picture of that for you. We have a centre stand, absolutely brilliant for cleaning and maintenance. Fantastic. So this is a keyless system on this bike. So key is in my pocket, so it's got a very nice key, and that end of it comes out as well, which is actually like a separate key for the seat and the petrol cap. There's a spare one of these as well. So simply hold here for a second and the dash will power up. That shows you Voge, and very nice looking dash there, and all the switch gear. It's very similar to KTM, obviously it's sort of kind of linked with KTM. Press the enter button and takes you into a huge menu system which you can sort of adjust absolutely everything. So, but we'll go into more of that on the full review of the bike. Press the back button, it goes back to the normal screen. Tyre pressure monitoring, that will obviously start working once the bike's going. So this really is an incredibly good adventure tourer. Right, so just taking the seat off. Obviously you've got your connector for the heated seat, but it looks really nicely built. It's got Wi-Fi there. I presume that's for sort of like Bluetoothing to your, connecting to your phone with the camera part of the bike, and the video recording on the bike to your phone. But nice quality. Battery comes on it, just connect the battery up. Not really any storages here under the seat, so to speak. You've got a little toolkit under the seat, but all in all, looks very nice under the seat there. Very tidy, nothing untoward, so all good under the seat. Again, running through the list of specifications. Got ride-by-wire, because it's cruise control. I'll just switch this off. We've got 4 riding modes. Traction control, up and down quick shifter, slipper clutch, span adjustable, very nice smooth clutch there, cable clutch, KYB, fully adjustable suspension. Looks like it's got a big amount of travel there, so fully adjustable suspension up on the tops there. Rear monoshock, which has a preload adjuster there, remote preload adjuster. I think that's about it for the adjustment on the back there. There is a steering damper tucked down in there as well. Fast Ace Performance steering damper tucked down in there. So here you have all your buttons. You have your cruise, hazards, high and low beam, cruise control set. We've also got heated grips and heated seat. Switchable ABS, turn it off if you go off road. Twin Brembos, which is great. As I said, keyless, tyre pressure monitoring system. Now there's little wires that come from these mirrors, and up in there there's like a little orange light that flashes, so that's blind spot assistance. Got hand guards, engine bars, front facing dash cam, record footage while you're riding. That all links to that sort of Wi-Fi unit under the seat, which then is going to pair to your phone. Also pairs to the Voge app for navigation. We've got 2 power outputs. We've got a standard 12 volt there. And over this side we have USB-C, fantastic. As I said earlier, heated grips and heated seat, 3-piece aluminium luggage. Adjustable screen, up and down about 50mm just by pushing it like that. So looking around the bike, guys, as you can see, you know, incredibly well spec'd. I think it's pretty much got the lot. Seat height is 825mm. Now I'll sit on this for you now and just see how it fits me. Just gonna climb aboard. 825mm seat. Oh, that feels very, very impressive indeed. Really big, nice plush suspension, quite soft at the back. Front feels good. To be honest, it feels totally like a F750 GS, but with a much better front screen. It's got a nice big area on it, decent wide screen. Balls of my feet are down. I'm 5'7" tall with a 30-inch inside leg. Balls of my feet are down, heels are about 2 or 3 inches up, but absolutely fine. Weight feels nice and solid, not too heavy, not too light. Nicely sculpted in here with the tank, but really nice riding position. Bars feel good, good view out the mirrors. So really nice feel to that, feels very well made. So that's all good. So there you are, guys, the first look of the all-new Voge 900 DSX. Really looking forward to ride this and bring you the first sort of ride review on it. But as I said, just walking around the bike, plastics all look very good, LEDs, nice that it's got tubeless, Brembo, KYB, cruise control, spotlights, engine bars. Nice powerful engine. I would presume that's going to be riding exactly the same as an F750 GS, which is a very good engine. You know, it looks very much similar to me. You know, oil filter there, the casings look similar. So even the high level exhaust is very reminiscent of a F750 GS. Heated seat, nice touch, heated grips. Comes with the 3-box luggage as well. So that's absolutely brilliant. Centre stand, quick shifter, so absolutely fantastic. So if you wouldn't mind, please posting your comments down below, guys, on what you think of the all-new Voge 900 DSX, and I'll catch you again in a week or so for another review. Ride safe, guys, all the best, bye for now.